नमस्कार, वेलकम टू BSF लाइफस्टाइल। ये वीडियो है अबाउट ऑल द प्लेसिंग्स इन मेंस ओपन डिवीजन एट पोर्टो रिको प्रो शो। टॉप 3 एथलीट्स की पोस्ट बाय पोस्ट कंपैरिजन वीडियो मैंने पहले ही बना रखी है। मैं इस वीडियो को ऊपर आई बटन पे लिंक कर दूंगा, डू चेक दैट आउट टू। स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम 15th पोजीशन। एट 15th वाज एलन बॉन्डमैन। नॉट अ बैड प्लेसिंग फ्रॉम हिम, मैं बोलूंगा, बिकॉज जस्ट एक दिन पहले ही ये प्रो एथलीट बने थे इसी शो में और ये इनका प्रो डेब्यू था। एट 14th प्लेस वाज थियागो लिंस। नॉट वेरी टाइट पैकेज, ये इनका भी प्रो डेब्यू था। दिस वाज हिम इन 2019 एंड देन दिस वाज इन 2020 Arnold Amateur. These both were at super heavyweight category, which he won in 2020. तो शायद इस ट्रांजिशन के कारण he couldn't bring his A game. Back double bicep is his money shot. He has a lot of potential to do better in the future. At 13th place was Eddie Brockamontes. Still missing the conditioning. He was 5th in the last show at California Pro Show. I couldn't see any improvements from California to Puerto Rico. Next, at 12th place was Pasquale D'Angelo from Italy. Pasquale is a 212 athlete making his transition to open division. He has good structure but need to put on some serious mass for competing in the men's open division. At 11th place is Camilo Diaz. He was 7th place in the California Pro where Eddie Brockamontes was 5th. This time he got better of Eddie and we can see he was better conditioned if we compare those two, but he too need to put on some more size. At 10th place was Dorian Haywood. He dropped from 4th at New York Pro and Indy Pro both. New York Pro में मुझे ये थोड़े बेटर लगे थे देन पोर्टो रिको और इंडी प्रो, बट 9th से 5th तक सारे नए एथलीट से पीछे रहे थे डोरियन हेवुड। शायद ये लाइनअप इनके लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग था। At 9th place was Jamie Christian. This was the first time I came across this athlete and was impressed by his physique. He already has very impressive shoulders and arms and also a very pleasing structure, means shoulder to waist ratio. कमी सिर्फ एक है कि he lacks in muscle, mainly in the upper body, but still I believe he deserved to be placed somewhat higher than 9th. At 8th position was Robin Strand from Canada. He brought in good balance of size and conditioning as compared to other athletes, thus was awarded 8th place. At 7th was William Martins. अगर हम ब्लॉकी वेस्ट को छोड़ दें तो काफी इंप्रेसिव फिजिक थी इनकी, स्पेशली कंडीशनिंग अच्छी थी इनकी। ये आप इन सारे पोजेस में देख सकते हैं। फ्रंट से तो ये कुछ ज्यादा ही इंप्रेसिव लग रहे थे। We could see the striations in the chest and quads, well-rounded capped shoulders. I had him in my top 5 but he finished at 7th place. Now at 6th place was Theo Leguerer from France. He too brought in decent overall package, balance of size and structure and conditioning, but William Martins to me was better than him overall and even better than 5th placing athlete Andrea Muzzi. Andrea Muzzi from Italy looked good from front as compared to his back, but overall still lacks in the size department. But एक चीज है, he has very nice V-taper, the shoulder to waist ratio. Now coming at 4th position is Andrea Prizzi from Italy again. He was very impressive, especially from the front, in the front double bicep or even in the side poses. And also he had well striated abs. From back, he has more scope of improvement. As we can see, he lacks in the definition and the muscle department, the muscle developments from back. At 3rd position was Hassan Mustafa. I believe he should take a rest to rethink with the coach what is wrong with him. He has all the tools to win a pro show, only lacks in conditioning majorly. He has been competing continuously this year and placing 3rd to 2nd in all these shows. I still believe the best of Hassan Mustafa is yet to come. And at 2nd position was Mohammad Shaban from Egypt. He is consistent with the physique and also made some improvements too from California Pro where he placed 2nd again to Patrick Moore. We could see the photos from California and Puerto Rico. He has improved the conditioning while maintaining the size. If you look at his legs, it looks somewhat like Big Ramy due to the quads development. Overall impressive physique, well deserved second place according to the lineup. Now, winning the Puerto Rico Pro and earning the Olympia qualification is Akeem Williams. He was the best bet to win it. Olympia placings के हिसाब से he was the best athlete. Physique wise भी he had superior back developments, good round chest muscle, feathering in the hamstring and the quads department. Akeem is continuously improving in every show that he competes in. He was 6th in the last year's Olympia. Let's see how he places this year. तो बस आज के लिए इतना ही. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do check out my other videos and then subscribe. And as always, until my next video, peace out.